Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Sunny Health and Fitness Sitting Under Desk Elliptical Exerciser, your perfect low-impact exercise portable pedal designed to burn is ideal for home workouts without especially for seniors, and fits seamlessly under most desks, allowing you to integrate exercise into your daily routine effortlessly. With its smooth and silent operation, thanks to the belt drive mechanism with magnetic resistance, you can enjoy a maintenance-free workout experience. The Elliptical comes with a comprehensive digital monitor that provides real-time data on time, speed, calories, and distance, keeping you updated on your workout progress. Customize your fitness journey with 8 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, enhancing your muscular endurance over time. Plus, it arrives fully assembled, so you can kickstart your fitness journey right out of the box. Trust in the durability and reliability of this Elliptical, a product of Sunny Health and Fitness, backed by over 20 years of industry experience. And if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.